A quick acknowledgement like, "You got me there," paired with a playful pivot, shows you're unfazed, and confidence is magnetic. Let's break it down further. Imagine you say, "You strike me as someone who always has their life together," and she counters with, "Far from it." Instead of retreating, you could tease, "Ah, so you're secretly a chaos artist? That's even better." Or maybe you guess, "I bet you're a dog person," only for her to say, "Actually, I love cats." Without missing a beat, you reply, "I should have known." You've got that mysterious, independent vibe. Every misfire becomes an opportunity to add playful texture to the conversation. Here's the mindset. Misfires aren't roadblocks. They're stepping stones. Every missed guess is another chance to show off your wit and charm. In fact, embracing misfires makes you even more relatable. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being real, adaptable, and fun.